Okay.
We got 6 shares and only 3 people watching right now. That's an interesting phenomenon.
Oh.
So for everyone here, this will be our last Pokemon opening for a little while. We do have some Vivid Voltage packs tonight. We got 2 of them. Reason being, we're running low on stock, mainly because the new series Shining Fates releases tomorrow. So we had someone pre-order, but that was through GameStop, and apparently they aren't going to have their shipment on time for tomorrow. So we won't have any probably for another 2 weeks unless we can find some in the store. So the stuff you'll be seeing on here will probably be mainly Joseph streaming gaming. He'll do some Fortnite, some Call of Duty, things like that. I may jump in with him for some father-son gaming, but
Yeah.
right now we are running low on stock, and pre-orders kind of held us back. So
He hold them. Hey guys, look what I did with this purple guy. He holds his friends.
all right, here we go. So tonight we will have
We
open.
never let go.
We have 2 box sets and then 1 Elite Trainer box. So the Elite Trainer box for
Hey, Mimi
anyone
said
new.
something.
Hold
I
on.
want to see.
For anyone
Yeah,
that's
thank you,
new,
Mimi.
this is our Elite Trainer box. That Charizard came out of it, so we got 10 packs right here from that.
Hey, are we going
Then we
smoking
have
tonight? This weekend?
Yep. And then we have 4 packs from an Alakazam box, and then 4 packs from a Hatterene box. So we're going to start backwards like we always do with the 2 average packs. No crazy pulls in here. So as always, Joseph will be pulling the big hitters out of the back, and I'll be sorting them for him. So we'll go ahead and get started. Which one do you want to start with, Joseph? Lapras? Okay. Sword and Shield. Alright, here we go. First pack. Can we get some first pack magic? No. Showed the code card. It's a green, so that's not a good sign. Joseph, come on.
No, please look like that's not a good sign at all.
Alright. Come on, bud.
Sam.
Shootall, Rhyhorn, Rookidee, Autogloss, and Corviknight. No, there's no amazing rares in these packs. Done. So what are we opening this time? This is the Sun and Moon pack. Alright. We'll hide the code card this time. If you guys would like to do the guess the energy, feel free while I get this sorted.
I'll say fire.
Fire.
It's very, actually very.
I'm gonna do
easy.
fighting. Can you shut the door? I'm gonna do fighting.
Come on,
Oh, Matt. Here we go. So, the Champion's Path, this doesn't apply to, but there's code cards in the packs. This green one right here typically means that you're not going to get something in a rare slot. It'll be a non-holo. This one typically means there'll be a holographic.
And or it will give you a good pull.
Yes. So
Can you get a Pikachu in this one?
there's no Pikachu in this one. It's in those. All right, we got Fire. We got Fairy. I went fighting. What did you do?
Fire.
Fire. All right, here we go.
What is
Oh,
that?
common energy. All right, here we go. I'm trying to get this camera down. Granbull, Pokemon Catcher, Metapod, Crabrawler, Drowsy, Stuffle, Wingull, Dratini, Repel, and
Oh.
Palisand. All right,
man,
so
Castle.
so far nothing through the first 2 packs, which there's not many pulls in those packs anyway, so no big deal. All right, Do you want to do Vivid Voltage next? You want to go after the Pikachu? Alright, well, if we're going to get the Fat Pikachu, it's going to be in one of these 2 packs. We'll take an amazing rare we don't have, or even just a normal Pikachu. But we'll see. We'll start. You want to start? You want to say Pikachu for last? And do the Orbeetle first? Alright, give it a little mousetrap look. Alright, here we go. Put her down.
They both got 3.
And here we go. If I can put this back up. Alright, here we go. First Vivid Voltage pack.
Go, come on! Go, go, go!
Alright, first pack.
Sandile. I'm not sure. That's kind of. I feel like that was a white.
You couldn't see it. Alright,
I
here
know,
we
I
go.
just feel like it's
What's your
white.
energy?
Fighting.
Fighting. I'm going to do water. Woo! Look at that.
You saw it.
I didn't see it. I guessed with you. Alright, here we go. Energy. Telescopic Sight. Mighty Yenna. Trumbeak. Sandile. Oshawott. Pinecomb. Clefairy. Tynamo. League Staff. And...
Oh, we got
Alright,
a
a hit of some sort.
We got a hit. Butterfree.
Zarude. Same one we've had. But better than nothing, right?
Yeah. We
Zarude.
had a Zarad.
Alright, the first hit. Zarude. V. First hit of the night. Alright, last chance for the Pikachu of the evening.
Hey, look. He's good.
Are we going to get the Pikachu in this one? Do you feel it?
Wait, put him here.
Put it on Pikachu? Alright. We got all the Pikachu love. Alright, they got the Pikachu pack. Come on.
And wait, put him in the Pokeball.
We've opened enough of these to get something good. Let's just hope for a white code card.
Imagine just over here. I don't want to do guess the energy, but
don't wanna do it?
I'll do it.
I'm going to do...
I'm gonna do lightning.
I'm going to do fighting again.
I'm gonna do lightning.
Woo! I'm on a roll! Just pure luck. Alright, here we go. Energy. Electric. Dhelmise. Galarian Stunfisk. Execute. Shattuck. Clobbopus. Skiddo. Ferroseed. Memory Capsule and...
We got it, I think. Oh.
Nope. Explode.
Oh my.
Boo. Alright, we got all Champions Path left. So we're either... If we get another shiny Charizard, that would be crazy, but we're really after the Rainbow Charizard from this. So Joseph, do you want to go with the Elite Trainer box first, or do you want to go with the Hatterene box?
Hatterene.
Alright, so we're starting with the 4 packs from Hatterene. This is just one of those 4-pack boxes we always open. So you want to do Cupcake, Big Butt Turtle, or Flowers first?
Big Butt Turtle.
Big Butt Turtle? Alright, here we go.
Big Butt Turtle.
Alright. First pack. And then,
We don't have to worry.
just for this one,
It's
Champions
always
Path
white.
always is white. There's always at least a holographic in these packs.
Always a hit.
Yes, always. Not always a hit, but always a hollow.
We always would like
Water energy
We would
this time.
always love the
Rotom
VMAX
That's
Rainbow
all.
Charizard.
Yep, that's what we're shooting for.
We
Rockruff,
got a hint of it, right?
Potion, Pokeball, Carvana, Trubbish, and... Oh, Scrafty.
Stop with the Scrafty!
How many times have you guys seen Scrafty in this chat? I would love to know.
No, like in this whole entire channel.
All right, which one do you want to do next? Do you want to do Flowers or
Cupcake
Cupcake Tree? All right, here we go.
Cupcake Tree straight up.
Here we go.
Hey guys,
Cupcake Tree
look
next.
what we got from trying to get our stuff from Champions Path. We got like
Those are the boxes we
yeah,
opened.
like
They come with
we're
this.
opening like Hatterene and Alakazam. Like
1, 2, 3,
like
4.
we even got the big boxes.
All right, here we go. Kaboom. Suspicious
we got a
Food
rainbow
Tin.
rare of you, Kabu. We don't need you.
Victini. Rockruff.
already got a
Weedle,
rainbow rare.
Swablu,
So,
Kakuna,
it doesn't
Pokeball, Hatterene, and Lycanroc.
matter.
Come on.
Hey, look, that's the doggo. That's a
That
little
is a
doggo
dog.
we
That's
got.
a dog, yes.
I think that's a little doggo we got.
I'm gonna fix the camera a little. Try and get a better angle here for you guys.
My blanket of Pikachu very soft. I like it.
Oh, crashing.
You got it?
Yep, I'm just trying to get a little more
I was laying down.
for them. All right, last 2 packs are flower packs.
I was shoving my face into my blanket. Tell me what's the last part, okay?
All right, here we go. Joseph, you ready?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, come on. Come on.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4.
that gummy's already working.
All right, here we go. Trying to get this to where it. Oh,
What? We got hit?
I saw something back there, but I can't get the camera the way I want. All right, there we go. Sharpedo, Pokemon Center Lady, Turffield, Galarian Zigzagoon, Rockruff, Full Heal, Scraggy, Ekans, Pokeball, and Dreadnought. All right, heating up a little.
We giving the heat!
Heating up a little. We'll take that. All right, last pack of the Hatterene box. The more of these we open, the more lucky that I'm starting to feel with the fact that we have 3 of those Chinese Charizards, Joseph. What about you?
We have 3 of those shiny Charizards. There's like
Yep.
a 0-1 to
All right, here we go.
to get it. And we got 3 of them.
Energy, Milo, Turffield Stadium, Beedrill, Swablu, Inkay, Hatena, Kakuna, Rockruff. Joseph knocked out the sound, but we got a miscut card. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a secondary market. I have the second one here for you. If you can see the bottom here, and I'm trying to get it in focus. Look at how different it looks than this one. They cut into the words. And then on top as well, the words are starting to share through. So that is a rare card, and there is a market for misprints and miscuts. So we're going to top load that one. Very common card in this Machamp, but not common to get a miscut / misprint like that. Alright, last 10 packs of Champion's Path. You pick which ones you want to do first, Joseph.
Cupcake tree time.
You want to go with the cupcake trees?
Yeah.
You don't want the rough roughs to start?
No.
Or the big butt turtles?
What's that? Next.
Let's do it.
What's that?
Alright. We are going to do his cupcake trees first. We got 3 of these. Joseph, come on.
Tired.
You tired? Alright, well, we're almost done. Let's finish your stream. Alright. First pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy.
Mom.
Hyper Potion.
Really?
Malamar. Machoke. Vulpix. Machop. Roly-Poly. Carvana. Potion. Sizzlipede. And Oh, there's a hit. Is it a Dreadnought again?
Is it rubber free?
Oh, Waylord. All right.
It's a whale. Yeah, so. Yeah, so.
All right. I'll go back real quick.
We don't.
So, the Machamp is the most common card that is in this set. We probably have 100 of them. But what was good about this one is if you can see it, it's miscut. So as you see the way this card is centered on the yellow outline, there is cut into the words on the bottom. And then on the top as well, you can see the words coming through. So there is a market for people who just collect the miscuts or misprints.
Turn off, Alexa.
All right, here we go. Next one. Next cupcake one. All right, Jessica, come on. Need you. Bring some energy.
Hey, Alexa. Hey, Alexa. Hey, Alexa. Hey, Alexa. Play the Pikachu song.
All right. Energy. Pokemon Center.
Talk.
Team Yell Grunt. Potion. Full Heal. Roly-Poly.
Alexa.
Machop. Sizzlipede.
Play Pikachu
Galarian
song.
Zigzagoon. Here, come on. All right, nothing there. Just a Marnie.
Stop with the Marnie.
All right, here we go. We're back into it. We were losing music there. All right, here we go. All right, Energy, Suspicious Food Tin, Victini, Hyper Potion, Galarian Lanoon, Nickit, Machop, Ekans, Swablu, Absol, and
I'm telling you, I'm getting on YouTube after this.
Professor's Research. Which one do you want to do next? Dude, you're losing energy on me quick, man. Alright, we're going to do Big Butt Turtle. We're going to have to speed it up. I think Joseph's ready for bed tonight. So we're going to go quickly through these last couple packs. So, speed opening. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Energy. Patena, Full Heal, Scraggy, Purloin, Marnie, and... Oh, we got a hit. Oh, it's a VMAX. Oh, I thought it was Charizard. But we do not have this yet.
We got Cupcake Tree.
Cupcake Tree VMAX, dude. We needed that one for our master set. Look at that. Look at that. All right.
I'm taking this thing. I'm just gonna put this on.
All right, there we go. A
I'm
VMAX.
getting my Pikachu blanket. I don't care. I'm gonna get one.
All right, Big Butt Turtle number 2. Vulpix.
I'm Snorlax right now.
Oh, get off me. You can't lay down and go to sleep in this.
I'm Snorlax.
Do you want me to just do it for you?
No, I got it.
All right, Energy, Machoke, Pokemon Center Lady, Hop, Vulpix, Machop, Roly-Poly, Carvana, Potion, Machop, and Hatterene. Alright, which one's next? Got 5 more left, Joseph. Come on, power through. Rough? Alright, here we go. Roughs are next. Alright, here we go. Alright, Energy, Rotom Phone, Absol, Great Ball, Inkay, Hatena, Kakuna, Rockruff, Vulpix, Roly-Poly, and another one. This is good.
Stagugu, or that dog we got again.
Venusaur! There we go. There we go.
Guys, I'm going.
You going to sleep?
Oh, I hate you.
Alright, I might have to finish this one out by myself. Joseph seems to be falling asleep.
I got it.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, again, that last one, Venusaur. One of the original starters. Alright, 4 more packs. Can we get the Rainbow Charizard tonight?
Can we?
1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting. Arbok. Rotom Bike. Suspicious Food Tin. Pokeball. Weedle. Kakuna. Carvana. Potion. Weedle. And another hit. Let's go. Let's go. Another V. Galarian Corsola V.
We got 2 in a row.
What, 2 Vs in a row?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, another V. Another V. Three packs left, everyone. 3 packs.
Mom will read me to sleep tonight.
Alright. She will. I don't think you're going to need to be read to sleep. I think you're just going to fall asleep standing up. Pokeball.
I'll try.
1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we got an Energy. Suspicious Food Tin. Hyper Potion. Pokeball. Weedle. Kakuna. Oh, Carvana. Potion. Bead. And there's a normal Machamp that we have 100 of. Alright, 2 packs. 2 packs. Can we get 2-pack magic?
How about 2 pulls mac? 2 pull pack magic.
That would be cool.
Everyone say 2 pull pack magic.
What?
2 pull pack magic.
2 pull magic.
2 pull pack.
Last pack for the night, everyone.
Dad, you're gonna read me my avatar book.
Last pack. Here we go. Here we go. No, it's not. All right, here we go. Last pack.
For you, Mom. It's for you.
1, 2, 3, 4. He's barely making it through, but he's there. Energy. Let's bring him some Weedle, Swablu, Kakuna, Pokeball, Ekans, and come on, bring the energy, dude. Give us something. Ah! Freaking Scrafty. Might as well throw that card away. Alright, so for everyone, we did have one cool pull here.
Good night, everyone.
Joseph's going to bed, as everyone could expect if you've been here through the stream. He's leaving, but I'll go through the pulls. We had one awesome one. So we got Galarian Corsola, Dreadnought, Wailord, Zarude. We had the Alchemy VMAX, which is awesome. We needed that one. We had the Venusaur, and then let me grab that other Machamp we pulled so I can show you guys the difference. And then we had our miscut Machamp. So, just to show you guys the difference, that's what a normal Machamp looks like. As you can see, the cut on the bottom of the card is into the print, and the top is through the middle. So I don't have any idea what that's worth for anyone asking. I might post it with this group I'm a part of tonight and can report back. Check back tomorrow on Joseph's YouTube page, and if I found anything, we'll release a video with the value of it. But as I told everyone, Joseph left. We are running low on stock, so it might be a few weeks before you see him again. We pre-ordered the new release that was supposed to come out tomorrow. They are on back order, so all of the people who got them from GameStop will not be getting them until a few weeks from now. So unfortunately, we thought